The general market sentiment is still set around AI stock valuations and macro uncertainty, but several individual stocks are showing a lot of weakness. This is Monday, the 24th of November, 2025. We have SUPX, MNDR, ALBT, CMCT, FOXX, and TWNP. SUPX is currently down 21.18%. So this weakness it is showing it appears to be part of a continuing saga following a scathing report from short seller J Capital Research in September. The report alleged that the company, which started as an interior design firm, is running a pump and dump scheme by rebranding as an AI company, claiming its product images are photoshopped and specs are plagiarized. Law firms Hagens Berman are now investigating the company for potential securities flow fraud, and investors are understandably cautious, leading to significant volatility we are looking at right now, and setting pressure as AI bubble fears persist across the sector. Okay, yeah, okay. Lower prices expected to keep printing going all the way towards the 2nd of December. Yeah, it's just been on the downtrend since when? Since the middle of October. Yeah, okay. Let's see now. It's middle of October. Yeah, actually, early October, as a matter of fact. Yeah, SUPX. Let's see what do we have. SUPX short interest. Let's see what we have in terms of its short interest. Okay, it's just 10.41%. Okay. Okay, so yeah, let's have a look at its daily chart. Okay, it doesn't have any extrapolations. Okay, projections are currently saying, let's see what we have. 28.99 upper projection, 22.49 downward projection. Okay, yeah. So just caution is warranted. Just be careful with some of these stocks. Okay, MNDR. Okay, so the stocks movement has been have been highly volatile lately. I think on Friday the 21st, it had a couple of halts that were, yeah, hopefully it had a couple of halts. I'm not sure we'll validate that. The stock was actually sold after announcing a deal to on Friday. Yeah, okay, actually had maybe I'm wrong about that, but he announced a deal to acquire two high density AI data centers in Malaysia. However, today the stock is seen a downturn. Yeah, I think it's contracting Friday's expansion. So technical analysis from sources suggests the stock is currently a hold candidate with high expected volatility as recent trading patterns show potential for both gains and losses. The company's prior financial report in 2025 showed declining revenues and ongoing losses, which continue to raise concerns about some investors about long-term profitability despite the recent data center news. So far, okay, just the regular volume have crossed the tape. It's a high beta stock and highly volatile as well. Okay, I mean MNDR. MNDR, yeah, it's contracting Friday's expansion. Yes, yeah, I don't think it's not. It wasn't halted. So projections are currently saying nothing to the upside, 0.4301, and then some really negative downward projections there. Yeah, positions opened all the way back to 40 days ago. I'm probably in profit right now, given that Friday the expansion on Friday, but still the underlying trend still remains severely bearish. Yeah, let's just quickly glance at its 4-hour chart. may have some projections, extrapolations. Okay, the contraction is expected to maintain this current trajectory up till okay, well, let's just say up to tomorrow, up to midday tomorrow, then more of a sideways movement, and then may resume the downtrend from Tuesday the second. Here on this 4 hour chart, projections are saying 3.92 and then a downward projection of 1.85. But a couple of hours ago on Friday the 21st, they had on top of 3.92, had 4.29, 4.87. Okay, ALBT, uh, the story here seems to be consistent, long term downward pressure. Let's have a look. Okay, ALBT, let's see what we have. ALBT. LBT down 13.21%, intraday low $1.3. ALBT. Okay, so yeah, that's as I was saying earlier on. The story here, as it concerns ALBT, seems to be consistent long-term downward pressure. It is trading near its 52-week lows. Analysts currently rate the stock as a consensus sell or hold with negative earnings and a challenging financial landscape, including significant liabilities on its balance sheet. While the stock did see a slight expansion on Friday, was that the case? The overall trend remains bearish with several negative moving average signals. Today's weakness seems to be a continuation of this negative market sentiment and the lack of strong positive catalysts. Yeah, on Friday had some expansion. Yes, yeah. No, it was actually expanding all the way towards midday. Yeah, went from Tuesday, continued to expand up to midday on Friday, and then as a matter of fact, the contraction began. It got volatile on Friday, and even in this pre-market session, it got a bounce. It's been volatile since Friday up till today, as a matter of fact. But today it's now clearly, yeah, gone into 52-week lows, and lower prices are expected to keep printing up till tomorrow midday, and then consolidation, and then another attempt to expand or to bounce from Monday the 1st of December, but it might be rejected again, and then the downtrend may resume. So volatility is expected, yeah, for ALBT. Underlying trend. Let's see what we have. Okay, bearish, yeah. Here we have a bounce is extrapolated to this bounce. Okay, well, okay, the extrapolation is saying that it's going to bounce, even though it's down. And then expected to hold it up to Tuesday, the 2nd of December, and then consolidate distributively, then attempt to resume again. So, all in all, is saying that the trend of its extrapolation is that it's got higher prices going all the way towards the 6th of January. Interesting. We'll see how it goes. CMCT, I believe that's the one that was halted on Friday, up 18.35%. CMCT, the narrative is about ongoing financial struggles, and in the real estate sector, the company has faced significant challenges throughout 2025, including poor Q2 earnings results, where its stock dropped over 13% after revealing decreased net operating income, and increased interest expenses. The stock has experienced a dramatic decline of over 98% in the last year. The company has executed reverse splits and announced earnings call dates. Um, The market is reacting to its weak financial fundamentals and high debt levels, contributing to this weakness we're looking at right now, down 17%. Not a lot of shares have crossed the tape so far. CMCT, I believe that's the one that was halted on Friday. CMCT, yes, that's the one. Yes, it was halted on Friday. Okay, just once, I think, on Friday. Okay, lower prices are expected to keep printing, going all the way towards the 26th of December. On the line trend, severely bearish. Yeah, it might be volatile as well. Momentum might be swinging, especially from now up till the 10th of December. Yeah, it might be volatile in terms of momentum. Projections are currently saying, let's see what we have, 8.53. Yeah, quite ambitious. On the 4 hour chart, let's quickly glance at the 4 hour chart and see. Yeah, here we're saying that lower prices may continue to print, and then a bounce might kick in from Tuesday, tomorrow, pre-market session. And according to this extrapolation, it's expected to hold it up till the 4th of December. That's a long time to come. The odds of that happening is not very high. Okay, so projections here are saying 4.46. Okay, so please bear with me. Some construction is going on somewhere around here. Um, let's see what we have next. FOXX. FOXX up 13.84%, or down 13.84%. Let's see. Okay, the stock, this is another company facing market volatility and fundamental concerns, similar to other stocks in this video. The company has weak financial metrics, including negative profit margins, operating losses, and a working capital deficit. The stock has experienced massive price swings recently. It was up over 75% at one point on Friday, the 21st, but has since dropped in the post-market session of yesterday, of Friday, trading into this pre-market session and then this regular session, likely due to profit taking and investor caution surrounding its precarious balance sheet. It seems to be doing so, seems to be contracting what uh, what may have happened on Friday. Yeah, yeah, there was an expansion on Friday. Yes, yeah, yeah. So it's contracting that now. Yeah, and expected to um, go into a distributive contraction, a distributive consolidation, consolidation. Yeah, towards the 4th of December. Projections are currently saying $2.9. It is a downward projection. Yeah, previous projections as high as 3.39, 2.86, 3.39, yeah, 3.39 and 5.38, 5.9 and 6.23. Those as far back as the 31st of October. Yeah. Let's have a look at its daily chart and see what we have. Here it is severe, it's bearish, and the line trend is bearish. Previous projections as high as 7.6.41, 7.33, 7.91. TWNP. TWNP up down 34.65%, intraday low $2.25. Okay, let's see what we have. The stocks movement is often influenced by broader market trends. Today's market overall has been impacted by renewed concerns that AI company growth may not justify current valuations, leading to a general sell-off in some tech and growth oriented stocks. It's also possible that TWMP is a lower volume stock, meaning its price can be more volatile and react to general investor fears, or a lack of buyers rather than specific company news. Let's see what we have in terms of its volumes. Yeah, that's the case. Yeah, very tiny, but also very volatile, but not a low beta, tiny beta stock, tiny beta. TWNP. Let's see. TWNP. Okay, let's see what we have. Projections are currently saying 2.81 upper projection. Yeah, before now we had on top of that 3.03, 3.39, 4.24, 4.61, 4.83. This was as of Thursday. Those are the projections as of Thursday. Let's see what we have on the 4 hour chart. Okay, a bounce is expected to kick in from Monday, from the close of today's trading session, and expected to hold it up till the fourth Thursday, the 4th of December. Yeah, projections are currently saying 3.06 on this 4 hour chart. It had a halt today. Yeah, okay. Just have a look and see what you make of these stocks. And thank you very much for watching this video.